Hi, my name is Marie Diemert, also BB's Letters on Instagram. I'm excited to show you this monochrome mountain tutorial, and I'll be using entirely Teardrop Pool from one of Kim's newest collections, Pacific Northwest, curated by Starla Brown. So I'm using Canson XL watercolor paper and also this really nice brush from Princeton Velvet Touch, and it is a round 12 brush. I'm going to start with just a light wash on the top third of the page, and this will be the sky. I'll be using a heat tool to dry between the layers. Now I'll start outlining the first set of mountains about a third of the way down the page. This first layer is going to be pretty light, and they'll get a little darker as we move down the page. Now I'll go ahead and dry that first layer. Now just below the first set of mountains, I'm going to go ahead and start outlining the second set of mountains. I'll also use more paint for this layer to be a little darker. I'm going to start adding some more detail on this set of mountains. By pulling down with my brush with a little more paint, it's going to start creating kind of like that three-dimensional effect. Now I'll start that third layer of mountains. This one has one pretty large mountain and a few smaller ones to the right. I'm going to go ahead and dry that last layer, and now I'm going to go ahead and add some paint to the palette. That way I have a little more control over how light or dark the color is. And here I'm going to start adding that like three-dimensional detail to all of the mountains. To get the really crisp like edge of the mountain, it does need to be dry. So if you notice that it's not like really working the way you want it to, you might have to go ahead and dry that. You'll notice like right there, I had a little too wet. I wasn't loving what was going on with this little mountain there, so I ended up just drying it and then just blending it in with that second layer. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and start going over some of the edges just to make them all a little crisper. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed painting with me.